In this tutorial, I will guide you through how to use the virtual terminal in the Universell dashboard to process payments, refunds, pre-authorizations, and recurring sales. First, log in to your Universell dashboard. Once you are logged in, go to the Sales section in the left side menu and select Virtual Terminal. Here you will see four main options:
Sale, refund, pre-auth sale, recurring sale.
Let's go through each option. 1. Making a sale. To process a payment, select Sale.
Enter the amount due and choose the payment methods like card, cash, gift card, check.
You can also assign the transaction to an existing customer by searching the customer name or create a new one.
Enter the cash collected amount.
If needed, you can apply discounts, coupon codes, taxes, surcharges. You may also add memo or notes for the transaction. Once everything is entered, review the order summary, confirm the total amount, and click Pay to complete the transaction. 2. Processing a refund. Next is the refund option. Here you can search for the transaction using Customer Name Transaction ID, Date Amount. Once you find the transaction, select it and choose Refund to return the payment to the customer. 3. Pre-authorization sale. The pre-authorization sale option allows you to temporarily hold funds on a card before completing the charge. Select Pre-auth sale. Enter the customer information and transaction amount, then process the pre-authorization. Later, once the service or order is confirmed, you can capture the authorized amount and finalize the payment. 4. Recurring sale.
To create a recurring sale, first go to Recurring Sale in the virtual terminal. Start by entering the payment amount. Next, assign the payment to a customer. You can either select an existing customer or add a new one. Then enter the billing details, including the customer's name, email, phone number, and address information. On the right side, review the sale summary. Here you can apply discounts, taxes, or surcharges if needed. Click Next. Choose the start date and select the subscription interval, such as weekly, monthly, or yearly. The option will have no end date for an ongoing subscription or set a specific end date. Finally, enter the card details, confirm the information, and click Create Recurring Sale to activate the subscription.